Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create this card. Here is the color group I'm using. Let's open a new document. Set the stroke to none and the fill to red. First, select the Polygon Tool, click on the artboard, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the down arrow key on your keyboard a few times to reduce the number of sides to 3. While you are still dragging your mouse, press the Shift key as well to constrain. Next, switch to the Direct Selection tool, select the top anchor point and drag it up. Now swap the fill and the stroke. Let's change the color to yellow. Be sure your smart guides are turned on and then select the pen tool and draw a straight vertical line in the center of the red triangle. Click away to deselect. Now click on this yellow path and draw a small branch. Next, switch to the Selection tool and copy this line a few times. With the top branch still selected, switch to the Scissors tool and create a cut. Now press the Delete key on your keyboard a few times to remove the unwanted part. And repeat this with the other two branches. Let's lock the layer with the red triangle. Now select all branches on the left and then switch to the Reflect tool. Click on this anchor point to set the reflection point. Now click, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press the Shift and Alt keys as well to create a copy. With the right side branches still selected, press the up arrow key on your keyboard a few times. If you wish, adjust the branch positions. Let's select all branches and group them together. Unlock the layer with the red triangle and select everything. Let's make a copy and scale it down. Now create several more copies. To change the order of a tree, first select it and then right-click, choose Arrange and bring to front. Next, we'll apply different colors. First, select a desired triangle. Be sure the fill is on top and now choose a different color. And repeat this with the other triangles. Rearrange and scale the trees if necessary. Next, we will reflect every other set of branches so they don't look too uniform. First, make sure they are selected. Now go to Object, Transform and select Transform Each. Be sure the Reflect X option is checked and then click OK. Next, select one of the triangles and then go to Select, Same and choose Shape. Now open the transparency window and lower the opacity. Switch to the Type tool and type your text. Let's change its color to dark green. Finally, select the trees and group them together. Select the text and the tree group as well, and then click on the tree group again to mark it as a key object. Next, open the Align window and select Horizontal Align Center. Select everything, group it together, open the Align window, be sure Align to Artboard is checked, and choose Horizontal and Vertical Align Center. If you wish, ungroup everything and change the stroke of some of the branches to green. Thanks for watching, bye bye.